In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to install or export options packages for KUKA newest system, iiQKA.OS system. So KOP file installation and exportation is important for us to commission on site in terms of the KUKA newest system. So first, you have to prepare KOP file. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate with Profinet KOP file for iiQKA this KOP file to tell you how to install into the teach pendant into the newest system. Okay, so first you open the iiQWorks simulation this software and you go to the file, you go to the options and you choose add-on, you choose manage and you choose plus button and you find this file. So first you have to install it in the iiQWorks. This is the first step. Okay, and we're gonna restart the software and we'll restart iiQWorks and just wait. So we already open the iiQWorks after you install the option Profinet packages. The next, in the real project, you have to use iiQWorks to connect with the controller to online the project so that you can update the KOP file into the current system. Remember, if you don't know how to upload and download project by iiQWorks, go back to my previous video, how to use iiQWorks to download and upload project to the controller with the newest system, iiQKA.OS system. Go back to that video. You will find an answer. The next, you choose file. In this video, just demonstration because I have the virtual smart pad. In the real one, you click online. And basically, the connection, you have to use your Ethernet cable to connect with the controller cabinet XF1 Ethernet port. Okay, remember XF1 Ethernet port. In this video, because this is the virtual one, I choose the virtual one. Okay, this one. Okay, and first, the entire system will be uploaded into the iiQWorks. Okay, this is the first step after you connect with the controller. The next, you have to add the KOP file into the current project. So you click the project, click the robot, you choose the component property. So you choose the option packages configuration and you will find available options. So because we already installed it into the software, we will find Profinet, this one, and we plus it, add option. So we will add into it. So I think already added. Okay, the next, you have to download the KOP file, the configuration into the system so that the KOP file will be installed into the new system. So you choose the configuration. Okay, the next, before you do that, you have to confirm the SPOS request. Okay, SPOS. The next, you deploy configuration onto the controller. So you choose next. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna minimize. So next. activate. As you can see, it's updating to the system. We just wait. Just wait. So it's the same step with you for real project. Okay, finish. So the next we are gonna check the go back to the system. We show the go back to the teach pendant. So we will find the options. Go to the system information. So we go to the options. As you can see, Profinet KOP file already installed into your system, into the controller. So this is the steps for you to install KOP file into your iiQKA.OS system. Okay, this is the installation. So what if, for example, what if your controller already installed these KOP files into the controller, but your iiQWorks software doesn't install these KOP files? In the previous video, in work visual, in the C4 teach pendant, we know we will find KUKA D disk and find KUKA OPT. We copy teach pendant KOP file into the USB disk. For the newest system, how could you export these KOP files from teach pendant? What are you going to do? It's the same way. It's a little bit different. So first, still you make the backup. Okay, you make the backup of your system, because in the previous video I already tell you how to make the backup of the system by USB disk. Okay, once you finish backup by USB disk, you go to the USB disk. Let's assume in this video we already make the backup, this one. So this is the zip file for the backup, and you unzip this backup file in your laptop, and you will find these folders, and you will have packages folders, and you go to these packages, you will find KOP file folders. As you can see, these KOP files already exported by your USB disk, so that you can install these KOP files into the iiQWorks software. You get it? So this is for exportation from teach pendant to iiQWorks. Okay, so what if, remember, also the third topic should be, what if the iiQWorks already installed the KOP file? Where you can find it in your laptop. Basically, you will find in this way. If your iiQWorks already installed KOP file, you will find in this folder. Just for reference, you go to the laptop, you go to the C disk, you go to the user, you go to the public, you go to the public document, and you will find KUKA public. So you will find options packages. So these packages is for the iiQWorks already installed the KOP file. Okay, so this is this video's content for you to master how to install KOP file or export KOP file from teach pendant with the KUKA newest system, iiQKA.OS system. If you think useful, don't forget to make a donation on my home page. See you next.